We have this huge existential problem with climate change, and the actual fact is that we've got too much CO2 in the atmosphere, and that means we actually have too much carbon in the atmosphere. And if you think about it, it means that climate change is a material problem. And I set up, along with my co-founder, Medevere, to respond to that problem, to create a new material resource that we can use for manufacturing. We take wood waste from the wood industry, which has already stored CO2 in the material, and we convert it into biochar. And in this step, we lock the carbon into a material. We refine that biochar in a series of steps, and we get a thermoplastic compound that behaves like any other plastic. We're actively looking for partners. We need pioneers. We need people to join the momentum of this. And I think manufacturing is going to change in a big way. And we are creating the materials to make the change happen.